So what we are getting to know, the pictures that are coming in where from Rajghat, also the Prime Minister and the President are paying their tributes to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, as they are out there at Rajghat, and had also tweeted on the same on his death anniversary, Mahatma Gandhi, who was assassinated on this day in 1948. While taking to Twitter, the Prime Minister has said that Gandhi's ideals continue to motivate millions, and tributes to the great Bapu on his Punyatithi. His ideals continue to motivate millions. On Martyrs' Day, we recall the heroic sacrifices of all those great women and men who devoted themselves towards India's freedom and the well-being of every Indian. That is what the Prime Minister this morning had tweeted on the death anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Also, President Ramnath Kovind in his message has said that people should adhere to Mahatma Gandhi's ideals of peace and non-violence. I quote, "On behalf of a grateful nation, my humble tributes to the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who embraced martyrdom on this day. We should adhere to his ideals of peace, non-violence, simplicity, purity of means and humility. Let us resolve to follow his path of truth and love and non-violence." Even other leaders, including Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President JP Nadda and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also paid their tributes to the father of the nation. Quickly recalling what the Prime Minister had tweeted this morning on the occasion of Martyrs' Day, which is observed on the death anniversary of the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, where tributes to the great Bapu on his Punyatithi. His ideals continue to motivate millions on Martyrs' Day. We recall the heroic sacrifices of all those great women and men who devoted themselves towards India's freedom and the well-being of every Indian. Also, we are looking at many of those leaders who came out today to pay their tributes to Mahatma Gandhi. Even Vice President Venkaiah Naidu, who said that Mahatma Gandhi's core values, the need to rise above casteism, communalism, regionalism and provincialism, should inspire the youth of today. Well, before the coronavirus pandemic struck the world, the Martyrs' Day or Shaheed Divas saw the President and the Vice President and the Prime Minister and the Raksha Mantri who were gathered at the Mahatma Gandhi Samadhi at the Rajghat. And the pictures are coming in of today, where President Ramnath Kovind can be seen paying their tributes. Also, the leaders there laying wreaths in remembrance of Mahatma Gandhi. And in remembrance also the day that is observed as Martyrs' Day, where we'll go across to Aishwarya Kapoor for more on this. Well, all the more during these times and these days, Aishwarya, the ideals of Mahatma Gandhi come into more use and can be put into more effect, looking at the times, especially what the Prime Minister has said, what the President has tweeted, and all the same what the Vice President has tweeted, remembering Mahatma Gandhi. Well, tributes that are being pouring in for the father of the nation as we continue to put forth more live pictures coming in. Let's move on for now.